Hi guys, we are here to present a new project. Here we have the FACE team that have created a new interesting project during the hackathon, the Internet of Things hackathon in Pisa. Hi.
Hello.
Hello, this team. How are you? And I think this project was really great. And could you just tell us about who you are and what your project was about during the hackathon?
Oh yeah, sure. We are a group of mad people here because we are part of many groups. Renzo here is part of the FACE team, which is a group inside the university which studies human-robot interactions. And you can see the FACE robot behind us. I'm part of Toy, which is a startup, a young startup here in Pisa together with my colleagues at the university. And we also are in the headquarters of the Fab Pisa. So there is a connection between all these communities. And by chance, we met at the RIOT14 and we brought our knowledge together, building the VUDOO LAmp, thanks to the UDOO board.
Okay, and how old are you? Just out of curiosity.
And I'm 34.
Ah, okay, okay. So regarding the hackathon experience, how would you define the hackathon experience in Pisa? The 3 days of non-stop coding. Was it good? I think
was
probably
programming and
really hard.
But it was very good. Not so much for the hacking, but for the connection we built. We got to know a lot of people doing hacking things around Pisa we were not aware of. I think the main, the good thing about hackathons is putting people together and confronting their problems, not just the per se. For example, we built our lamp by exploiting the knowledge of the fixing guys about 3D printing, my knowledge about programming, and the knowledge of the engineers at the RIOT event who built us who soldered our boards together. It's the meeting of people that makes things good.
Okay. Seems great. Would you like to tell something else, Maurizio?
Well, something about your project. I can see on the back green mask. I think is part of your project. You can explain how to use this mask. What is the concept of your idea?
Oh well, the concept is that everyday life objects are quite boring. We would like to give them emotions or give them some nice behaviors. And at the Riot, we had with us a face robot, which now is off, but usually can make a lot of expression with the motors inside their face. And so we tried to make the lamp, which is a simple touch lamp, communicate its states to the face robot that can react to them. So inside the mask there is a UDOO board together with a shield we build in my startup, which has some sensors for everyday usage, like light, touch sensor, can control the strip of LED. And so we mix them together and we programmed the interaction between hardware, between the lamp and the face robot. And we can show how it works. Touch, then the lamp. So
just a way to show how we can bring emotions and to convey emotions through objects. So this is a real silly example. But even if we're talking about colors, there is a great field about how colors really can convey some emotions and how do they affect humans.
And when you touch the lamp, she gets happy and communicates that to Rob. It's a silly project, but there is a mix of technologies which makes it great. For example, one thing you can see is that the firmware inside the lamp is done by one of our projects, which is called Viper, and it is a virtual machine for Python bytecode, and all the lamp is controlled by Python bytecode. It is not made with
the lamp is controlled by
Python bytecode.
Oh, okay.
It compiles Python for the
in this
machine running inside the lamp. It's, I think, the first object you see with such a feature. And the script controlling the lamp is 17 lines of code, typical of Python, which is an high-level programming language. Something like import Wi-Fi send my sensor to face.
Okay.
Sort of
and
people script like that.
This project is open source, and there are the possibility to find the code and the description of your.
The shield is open source. You can have the schematics. The code is not yet open source. We are planning to release it in January, so everybody can program with our virtual machine.
Didn't understand. We got a roadmap about the release of the code, or actually you are still working to clean up the code or something like that?
The code about Viper or the code about the lamp?
Both of them.
The code about Viper we can give you, but I don't know how you can run it.
No, I don't. It wasn't a curiosity regarding. I'm not. I don't want to run it right now in real time or something else. It's just for the UDOO community that is or will be watch this video.
Oh yes, the script we can give you, no problem. For being able to run it, you have to wait until January.
January, okay.
Okay.
And do you see a future in the robotics and artificial intelligence regarding the connection between these two different fields? Why did you choose something in this direction, in direction of human recognition of emotions? What was your? I don't mean your purpose, but what was the thing that touched you? The idea behind,
and
the curiosity.
Yeah, and also UDOO. What is the possibility to use UDOO in this field of research or application?
Okay. I will start with the second question. Well, UDOO was a great platform for this project because we have both the Arduino hardware and a portable PC. So we can develop and test in the same machine. We have computational power to run the code that moves phase. So it is a wonderful platform, and we also use it here in the university for this purpose. For your first question, what moved us is the fact that many of us are involved in research projects about effective computing to fill the gap between humans and machines. We are talking about Internet of Things a lot, but we still don't know what it is and what it will be. We think that a part of bringing things on the internet to talk together about, to talk with humans, is to give them that layer of interaction that is missing with other machines. So they have to understand our field so they can react to me in a meaningful way. I don't want to see a LED blinking. I want to see a LED blinking of the color of my emotions, or contrary to it, if the algorithm behind the firmware feels that is it time to stimulate me. So there is a lot of research going on in this field because there will be a clash of semantics in the future. Machine talk a language and talk a language that we find cold. Why don't we give them a way to talk us in a meaningful way? That was the starting point of our research.
So I understand you are interested in the semantic field, something like that.
Yes,
Is that the reason of the curiosity?
I have one of the first devices that went in this direction.
So that was, what can I say, it was really hard.
Navastag.
At the beginning of this conversation, you told us about a startup you are working in, or you are a founder, maybe. I didn't
Yes,
get it.
I'm one of the founders.
Could you tell us more about it?
Yes, the startup is called Toy, and we are going to release our product soon. One of them is Viper, and our motto is smartify the world. We dream of taking objects and making them smart with low-cost hardware and smart algorithms. One of the first things we developed was the sun shield that you can see here. That embodies, this is the first shield that is compatible both with Arduino Duo and the Sparkle. So it covers both the main 32 bits platform today. And it embodies the most used sensors in an object that is in the house. We have light sensor, sound sensor, temperature sensor. Here is the shield. Can you see it? Okay. A buzzer, a microphone, and an infrared controller. So basically, you buy this shield, which is I think 15 euros, and you can make a smart object. You can make this lamp, but you can also make
so you're going to enter the market of embedded technology.
Yes, we are in the market of embedded technology. More
actually, a UDOO competitor.
No, we are a UDOO partner. We are nearer to the software side.
Yeah, it's both UDOO competitor and UDOO compatible.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, we have Viper also runs on the UDOO, so we had you in mind when we started the project.
It's
Both
directly
sides.
compatible. You can plug this shield on the UDOO board. You have immediately the possibility to programming with your developing platform, no?
Our
Your
platform on the powerful UDOO side, on the ARM processor.
Yeah. And but you can programming with Arduino and or both with Arduino and also with the Freescale processor.
We can program. The IDE is on the processor, and you can program with it. You can program the Arduino side.
Could you repeat, please, because here there is some problem in the speaker.
Our speaker.
The voice is not so good.
Actually, it's lagging.
It's not. Yeah.
Are you there? Okay. Now, yeah. Just a bit lagging.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can repeat, please, the compatibility with UDOO.
Our development environment runs on the processor part of UDOO, and with it we can program the Arduino side.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
So programming with the. Okay.
Okay. So the future for the VUDOO LAMP actually is what? After January, after the release of the code?
Oh, we will release it open source, and I think we can start the play of the Hamlet with the face and and the VUDOO LAMP, which she can do.
No, not yet. Not yet.
So that
maybe
we will manage she code.
Maybe in January when.
To be or not to be can be our goal.
To be or not to be?
Can be our goal. We have a school and a robot.
But to use the lamp, we need to have also the robot. Is this the problem?
I can't hear you. Wait.
To use the lamp, you need to have the robot too.
Oh, you don't need the robot. You need an object that speaks the same protocol.
Ah, okay.
It is a UDP with some packets. So, and also by a smartphone or a tablet. That's no limit.
Okay.
Okay, but did you, last question, did you think the product with a lot of protocols, lot of compatible protocols to avoid the lack of interoperability, or how many protocols does it support?
At the moment, we support wireless communication with the normal Wi-Fi with the router, and Bluetooth LE, so we can exploit the low. Can exploit Bluetooth to use the internet using the smartphone or a tablet as a proxy, and we are starting to implement other protocols like ZigBee and the others, but for the moment we focus in implementing communication with services like If This Then That, Tambo, and other social platforms, so we can give you a ready-made product to put your objects on the internet.
I'm very curious about what you said regarding If This and That, because recently, just surfing through the web, I actually have to admit that I'm a perfect ignorant, but I discovered this website and it's very cool. If This and That, I mean, no? How do you think If This and That is going to exploit the possibilities of Internet of Things? Do you think there will be something else in the future, or we are going to use it like a door between things?
I think there will be definitely something else, and I hope it will be Viper, because we plan to have a service to connect the objects that use Viper together. However, being seriously, If This and That is a very good service, and I think it will be there to stay. I don't know how will they cope with some low-level IoT interfaces like network of sensors and something like that that may not have enough power to connect to the internet and use the service, but it's very good. It is going to be there for a lot.
Okay, because recently heard about a competitor, but by the way, that are different kind of reasoning.
Oh,
it was like I didn't want to put the conversation in an economic point of view, but by the way, okay.
Okay, thank you for your time, and we want to see this project on online to understand better the possibility and the functionality also of your platform, Viper.
Sure. As soon as possible.
Okay.
Of course. Of course. So we will be pleased to write something about it in the blog. We think it's a great project.
Thank you. See you.
See you. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.